Hello everybody, Logan Saves the World here, back with another video. Today it is not a gaming video, but today it is rather something new. I know this is really random, out of the ordinary, but I'm starting an unboxing part of my channel. And I picked this up. I'm not a fan of this series, I'm going to say that right now. Do not hate on me, I just picked this up. So, Skibidi Toilet. It feels so weird getting Skibidi Toilet stuff because I've never been a fan of the series. But this is what the inside of it looks like. It's just a little baggie with this thingy. So I'm gonna set the box off to the side. Oh guys, do not make fun of me for my book stand either. Having a Five Nights at Freddy's book thingy. Okay, so it says Skibidi Toilet. Minifigures, standard figures, mystery plush, mystery stickers, exclusive lanyard. Collect them all with, hang on, I think everything that you can get on the back. Yeah, there's the mystery plush as well on the very bottom. So, what I'm feeling is I think we got the TV man. That's what I'm feeling from the actual box. But let's see. No, we got this guy. It's about the size of, hang on, let me check how big this thing is. Okay, hang on. It's like 6 inches tall. Should say somewhere in the box, but that's my first unboxing video. Well, like second, third. But here is the speaker man. I think that's what it is. Let me check the thing again. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of Skibidi Toilet. I might have seen a couple of videos, but that's most. Yeah, I got the speaker man, but I'm not going to be posting as often because I am in football now, so I might be at a game or I might be doing something else. But here it is. I got it for $2 at Walmart. That's not its actual price, but there it is.